ABC animals.
A.
A is for
Alligator. B.
B is for
Bear. C.
C is for
Cat. D.
D is for
Dog. E.
E is for
Elephant. F.
F is for
Fox. G.
G is for
Goat. H.
H is for
Horse. I.
I is for
Iguana. J.
J is for Jaguar.
K.
K is for
Koala. L.
L is for
Lion. M.
M is for
Meerkat. N.
N is for Nightingale.
O.
O is for
Orangutan. P.
P is for
Panda. Q.
Q is for Quail.
R.
R is for
Rabbit. S.
S is for
Squirrel. T.
T is for
Tiger. U.
U is for Uakari.
V.
V is for Vulture.
W.
W is for
Wolf. X.
X is for X-ray Tetra.
Y.
Y is for Yak.
Z.
Z is for
Zebra.
Let's repeat and learn the alphabet with animals.
A.
A is for Arctic wolf.
B.
B is for
Beaver. C.
C is for
Cheetah. D.
D is for
Duck. E.
E is for
Elk. F.
F is for
Frog. G.
G is for
Giraffe. H.
H is for
Hedgehog. I.
I is for Impala.
J.
J is for
Jellyfish. K.
K is for
Kangaroo. L.
L is for
Leopard. M.
M is for
Mouse. N.
N is for Newt.
O.
O is for
Owl. P.
P is for
Pig. Q.
Q is for Quail.
R.
R is for
Reindeer. S.
S is for
Sheep. T.
T is for
Turtle. U.
U is for Umbrellabird.
V.
V is for Vervet Monkey.
W.
W is for
Walrus. X.
X is for X-ray Tetra.
Y.
Y is for Yak.
Z.
Z is for Zebu.
Thank you for watching this video on Kiddopedia. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more educational videos for children.